So the first piece of Renogy is here, and this is going to be at the RV. I'm going to take this with me today, and we have nice white stickers. I don't know, that means we need to install these to the windows, because that is the only thing what is not white, or maybe front piece when there is black. We have good manual here. And then we have, oh, this is the Amazon recipe, mounting brackets, this is the temperature sensor. I didn't know that this is coming with the temperature sensor. It's pretty useless for me, but since we have this, I need to check, do I install this next to the battery or what? I don't know. Support, warranty card, and then the thing itself. Overall, there is nothing that much, like it's basically for dummies. There is the solar panel light, battery light, light, and then the error light. And pretty beefy hardware. The connection post size is really big. If we think about the Victron one, it's fitting 6mm cable just barely, and there is high risk that the cable is connected or touching the other one. So this hole is bigger, and there is good amount room to install it. Okay, the posts are not connected, so there is always a plastic wall between the holes or the posts. So you cannot sort this, at least not easily. What is good? Yeah, it feels heavy, but it's getting not that heavy when you are using that. But yeah, the size is about double of the what is the Victron one. So let's see how we can fit this in the RV.